Hi, in this video, I will show you on how you can empty trash in your Canva account. And this is a good action to keep your workplace clean and organized. And also, it's a good way to reduce the disk usage in your Canva account. So in order to delete the files in your trash folder, you have to visit canva.com, your dashboard, and then go to trash. You can click that menu on the bottom left corner of the screen, and after that you will see there are some designs that I have here that is in the trash folder. Unfortunately, at the moment there is no way you can select all the files and then you can empty all the files from the trash folder. It's just not possible, which is very unfortunate. But I actually don't have to worry about that because within 30 days all the files will be removed anyway. But if you still insist to remove the files right away, you can click on the menu of each file on the trash folder and then click delete from trash, and then you can click delete from trash. You can repeat the process for all other items. This is going to be a little more exhausting because there are so many things that we have to click on, and this can only be done manually. But if you are okay with that, then this is one method to try. But if you don't, then I do recommend to just wait until 30 days until all the files and designs, images, and video would be deleted eventually. Anyway, that's exactly how you can empty trash in Canva.